For an irrotational 3D flow, which of the following is not correct? Okay. Mathematically, in an irrotational flow, curl of velocity vector, that is del cross V equal to 0. Okay. Rotational angular velocity can be written in 3D form as W or omega equal to half of I j k dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z u v w. Then angular velocity about x-axis omega x can be written as half of dw by dy minus dv by dz, multiplying these two terms. Okay, then omega y, angular velocity in the y direction, can be written as minus half of dou w divided by dou x minus dou u divided by dou z, which can be again written as half of dou u by dou z minus dou w by dou x. And omega z, angular velocity about z axis, can be written as half of dou v by dou x minus dou u by dou y. True irrotational flow exists only in ideal fluids. Okay, then if at every point in the flowing fluid the rotational components omega x, omega y and omega z are equal to 0, that is if omega x is equal to 0, we can written it as d omega divided by d dou y equal to dou v by dou z. Okay, that implies our option D is correct, and this can be written as dou u by dou z equal to dou w by dou x. Dou u by dou z is equal to dou w by dou x. Option B is also correct. Then dou v by dou x is equal to dou u by dou y. Dou v by dou x is equal to dou u by dou y. Then options A, B, D are correct, and the incorrect option is option C. That is our answer.